What is going on, you guys? I am excited about today. Today has been a long time coming. I know I haven't been putting many videos out. I might have popped up, a lot video there when it got warm or whatever, but I've been grinding. I've been trying to establish something, and I've been, you've been seeing my stories if you follow me on Instagram about, me just having these ideas. Well, this is stage one. Still can't divulge exactly my main idea, but this is stage one as far as just establishing a relationship, and that's actually where I'm going right now. We're about to go meet up with the people that I've been working with recently, and I got something special for y'all. So I'm gonna drive on over here. Once I get over there, we'll break the camera out, and I'll show you what I've been working on or working at. But let's go. All right, guys, we made it. We made it to our destination. We're gonna be courteous. We're just gonna bring a mask with us in case he's a masker. And if not, we'll rock without. But let's go show you what we've been working on. Like you might have somebody in there. So I'm sure you can probably guess what we got going on right now. He's busy, so once he gets finished, he'll probably give us a little tour of the shop and then show y'all what we got going on. But I'm excited. This is just the stepping stone. I got a lot of plans. I got a lot of things in mind. I can't wait to tell y'all. Like, I've been in his ear for a minute, and I think we're going to finally start to make some shit happen. So, like I said, we'll get back to you when you get back out here. That's right, people. We've been working hard, man. That's right, baby. We hard at work. We got merchandise now. And let me tell y'all something. They don't just make them shirts for me. I'm in there, and I'm making these shirts. I wanted to go after something, and I've been grinding. I didn't want to just find a company that were like, oh, y'all make my shirts and I sell them or whatever. No, I wanted to try to establish something that we can grow from. We got merchandise. First drop of the merchandise. T-shirts, baby. Get them. Support your boy, man. Because if you ever follow me on Instagram or anything and you see me putting in my posts about how I have this grand idea, I'm giving my all and putting everything into it. And so in the past, if I've ever, helped you out with A-Racer, wheelies, anything like that, and you want to know how to support your boy and help me out, let's help both of us out, because this dream I have is for us. And the more you support me and the next wave that I have coming up, and I finally divulge my full idea, and you'll understand why I'm so passionate about this and want this. You support me, we're all gonna come out on top. I promise you. I promise you. But for the time being, until I get the website up, I'm doing a special. The $28 shipped wherever you're at. Local. $25 for a t-shirt. Local drop-offs available as well, or pick up if you want to swing by the crib and pick it up. If you're local, definitely let me know. I would love to drop it off, chit chat with any of my subscribers who support me. Anybody who supports me, anybody from my city, from out here, not around here. If you support me and I can talk to you, I want to hit me up, DM me. That's why I always say, get in the comments. As you can see, I always answer your comments, and I always will, because I want us to have a relationship. I want us to grow together, and you'll see over the next 5 years It's gonna be a lot of change happening on this channel and in our lives, because we're gonna make some stuff happen. So anyway, 25 bucks, $28 shipped. All payments available: Venmo, PayPal, Zelle, Cash App. Just DM me and I'll shoot you the payment information whichever way you want to pay. And in there, just include, your name, address, and the size shirt that you want. And I'll get them on their way. But until next time, go get one of these, man. That new drip, baby. I'm so excited for this.